Operating systems, or OS, is a set of programs containing instructions that work together to coordinate all the activities among computer and mobile device hardware. Example and function of operating system is to start and shut down a computer or mobile device, provide a user interface, manage programs, manage memory, coordinate tasks, configure devices, and so on. Operating system functions. Starting computers and mobile devices. If a computer or mobile devices is off, you press a power button to turn it on. An operating system includes various power options. First is to sleep mode, saves and open documents, running programs or apps to memory, turns off all unneeded function, and then places the computer in a low power state. Second is to hibernate, saves any open documents and running programs or apps to an internal hard drive before removing power from the computer or device. User interface, or UI. It controls how you enter data and instructions and how information is displayed on the screen. With a graphical user interface, or GUI, you interact with menus and visual images. Command line interface. A user types of commands represented by short keywords or abbreviation, or presses special keys on the keyboard to enter data and instructions. How an operating system handles programs directly affects your productivity. First, single tasking and multitasking. Second is foreground and background. Third, and the last is the single user and multi-user.
Memory management optimizes the use of the computer or device's internal memory. Virtual memory is a portion of a storage medium functioning as additional RAM. The operating system determines the order in which tasks are processed. A driver is a small program that tells the operating system how to communicate with a specific device. While on the other hand, plug and play automatically configures new devices as you install them. Operating systems typically provide a means to establish internet connection. Operating systems often provide users with a variety of tools related to managing a computer, its device, or its programs, such as file manager, search, image viewer, uninstaller, disk cleanup, disk defragmenter, screensaver, file compression, PC maintenance, and backup and restore.
Automatic update automatically provides new features or correction to the program. Some operating systems are designed to work with a server on a network. This multi-user operating systems allows multiple users to share a printer, internet access, files, and programs. A network administrator uses the server operating system to add and remove users' computer and other devices, configure the network, install software, and administer network security. A user account enables a user to sign in to or access resources on a network or computer. A username or a user ID identifies a specific user. A password is a private combination of characters associated with a username. Desktop, Windows, OS X, Unix, Linux, Chrome OS, Server, Windows Server, Mac OS X Server, Unix, Linux, Mobile, Google Android, Apple iOS, Windows Phone.
A desktop operating system is a complete operating system that works on desktops, laptops, and some tablets. Operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Unix, Linux, and Chrome OS. Windows is a popular operating system used for personal computers, laptops, and servers. It's known for its user-friendly interface and compatibility with a wide range of softwares. Example, Windows 8. Windows 8 offers these features like Start Screen interface with tiles, includes the desktop interface, support for input via touch mouse and keyboard, email app, calendar app and browser, photos, files, and settings you can sync with SkyDrive, enhance security through an antivirus program, firewall, and automatic updates. Windows Store offers additional applications for purchase. Mac OS, or known as Macintosh operating system, is an Apple's operating system designed exclusively for its line of Mac computers. It combines user-friendly design with powerful features and smooth integration with the Apple devices. It is commonly used by graphic designers, video editors, and music producers. And its latest version is OS X. Unix is a multitasking operating system developed in the early 1970s. It is a powerful operating system that forms the foundation of any other OS. It is used primarily for servers and enterprise systems like Oracle servers. It is reliable, secure, and can handle multiple users and tasks. Linux is a popular multitasking Unix-based operating system. It is a free and open source operating system used for a variety of purposes, from personal computers to large-scale servers. It is customizable and highly secure. It is used for software development, ethical hacking, and running cloud services. Chrome OS is a Linux-based operating system designed to work primarily with web apps. A lightweight cloud-focused operating system designed by Google, mainly for web-based applications. It's simple and fast, perfect for basic tasks. It's used for browsing the internet, streaming videos, and using Google Workspace. Examples of devices are Chromebooks, like Google Pixelbook, Samsung Chromebook, and Asus Chromebook.
The operating system on mobile devices and many consumer electronics is called a mobile operating system. The mobile operating system is a software that runs on mobile devices such as smartphones, tablets, and some consumer electronics. There are three examples of mobile operating system: the Android, iOS, and Windows Phone. So the first example is Android. Android is an open source, Linux-based operating system designed to Google for smartphones and tablets. It is an open source because the source code of Android is available for developers to view, modify, and use, making it customizable. Android powers a wide variety of devices from different manufacturers, offering flexibility and diverse features. The next example is iOS. iOS, developed by Apple, is a proprietary mobile operating system specifically made for Apple's mobile devices. Apple exclusively designs iOS for its devices, ensuring tight integration between hardware and software. Unlike Android, iOS is not open source. Apple retains full control over its features, updates, and distribution. So the last example is Windows Phone. Windows Phone was developed by Microsoft and was a proprietary mobile operating system designed to run on certain smartphones. It featured a unique tile-based interface known as the Metro UI, which offered a visually distinct way of organizing apps and content. Although it introduced innovative features and was integrated with Microsoft's ecosystem, like Office and OneDrive, Windows Phone struggled to gain significant market share compared to Android and iOS. Microsoft eventually discontinued support for Windows Phone, transitioning its mobile effort toward integrating its services with other operating systems. In summary, operating systems serve several common functions regardless of their type. They manage hardware and software resources, act as an interface between users and devices, and handle tasks like file management, multitasking, and security. Operating systems provide a user interface, either graphical or command line based, allowing users to interact with the system easily. They ensure data security through user authentication and permissions. There are different types of operating systems tailored for specific purposes. The desktop operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and are designed for personal computers and laptops, supporting productivity, gaming, and multimedia tasks. The other one is server operating systems like Windows Server, Linux distribution, and Unix are optimized of managing multiple users, running enterprise applications, and ensuring reliability in web hosting and databases. The last one is mobile operating systems, including Android, iOS, and Windows Phone. It is specifically created for smartphones and tablets, focusing on touch-based interfaces, app ecosystems, and other efficiency. Each type of operating system is designed to meet the unique needs of its target devices and users.